back to my channel. My name is Jazmine and today I'm going to show you guys what's in my July trunk club box. So for this month, I didn't give my stylist any direction, anything that I was interested in because I've been really busy lately, had a lot of stuff going on in the past month. So I just let him do his own thing, and yeah, he picked out some very interesting pieces. So the first thing that I received in my trunk club box was some sunglasses. And normally, sometimes I would receive accessories in my box, which I honestly don't mind. It has mostly been purses, which is really nice. I kept at least 2 purses that I received in my box so far. But I haven't received any sunglasses. And I kind of do want to get into sunglasses, but I just need to find the right pair that looks good on my face. And so this is what this looks like. It's by La Spec. I don't know. But it looks very interesting. I like low-key like it on my face, but high-key don't. So therefore, I'm not gonna get it. Next, I got some shoes from Tom. And I remember wearing the Tom shoes back in high school. I think it was like my sophomore year. That's when Toms were really popular. So it's nice to see that they have a pair of these brown sandals. It is extremely cute. I love the detailing right here in the middle. It has like a nice padding on the sandal too, so it'll be extremely comfortable, which is really nice. And it's just a very cute sandal, and I'm very appreciative because I did not want any heels, so I might keep this. It's not that pricey either. It'll be perfect for the summertime. So the next thing that I got is from Free People, and it's this white lacy bralette. And I seen this because now when you accept your trunk club preview, they give you the option to add like undergarments, jewelry, or like any other accessories into your box, which I like. And I seen that this was on the list, but I honestly wasn't really interested in it. So he sent me this randomly, and it was very cute. I tried it on, and it's, I don't know. It's like I kind of like how I look in it, but I kind of don't. You know, I seen Alicia Marie wear this, and I was like, oh my god, it looks so good on her, but I don't know how it'll look good on me. I'm not really 100% feeling it. Next thing that I got is from Topshop. Oh, and it's this yellow shirt. It's like a yellow, I wouldn't say it's a yellow crop top because it's not really a crop top on me, but it's this yellow shirt, and it says don't hate, which is a really nice message. I like that. But this is a size 6, and I like this shirt. I just don't like how it fits, because in the whole like armpit area, it's just pretty tight. So like if I do a lot of movement right there, I feel like it'll draw a lot of sweat, and it's just not comfortable feeling. So I'm not keeping this, but I like the message, just don't like the fit. Next, I got this acid wash muscle t-shirt from Zella, and I honestly do not know why my stylist is sending me muscle tees, because he sent me a Fila one last month, and I don't know, I don't have any. I never told him that I was interested in muscle tees. I don't know if that's part of the lounge wear that I mentioned. I just don't know, but I would have liked this had it not been a muscle tee, and probably if it was a crop top. Next, I got this white wrap shirt from ASTR, the label, and let me tell you this, it's a very cute shirt, but it's extremely tight on my body. So it's like a very stretchy material. It's kind of like the off-the-shoulder black shirt that I wear a lot, that I absolutely love to wear. It kind of reminds me of that, but this is a little bit more tight and more stretchy. It's a little bit more tight on me, and I honestly love how it looks on me. I like how it complements my body, and yeah, I most likely will keep this. Next, I got this white blouse tie-up shirt from Madewell. So this is 100% cotton. It feels like it's linen, which is pretty weird. It's very wrinkled, which if I do keep this will be a problem because I don't like to iron a whole lot, which is why I buy clothes that do not need to be ironed. Yeah, I would say that this would be a nice shirt for me to wear to work. Just tuck it in and I'll be good to go. But yeah, the material, I don't really like how it feels. I thought that when I seen this in my preview, I thought it was going to be a lot flowy, like a regular blouse, but it's not. So no, not keeping this at all. Next, I got this brown skirt from Billy Bong, and this is a button-down skirt, and I like the way it looks on me. It's like kind of high-waisted, which I really like a lot. The pockets are all real, which is really nice. It's like a corduroy material, which is really nice, and it's a very cute skirt, so I might keep it, might not. Who knows? I don't. Next, I got a pair of white shorts from Reformation. This is part of the Reformation jeans collection. Honestly, I like how these shorts fit on me. It's pretty tight, but the leg holes are pretty loose. So it gives me enough room for me to walk around and feel comfortable. The only thing is that I don't like how it's white. I'm not a white pants, white shorts, white skirt type of person. So yeah, the only thing that is killing me about this is white. So I'm gonna see if they have like the same fit but in like denim or maybe black and get it, but yeah, no. Next, I got a pair of jeans from Blank NYC, and this is the Bond mid-rise skinny. And let me tell you this is very tight on me, okay? This is in a size 25, which is my size, and it is pretty tight on me. I do like the cutouts on here. It's really nice. It is pretty stretchy, which is good, but I will say that I did struggle to get my feet into the leg holes. That was a bit of a struggle, which I did not like at all. I just didn't fall in love with these jeans. You know, they fit me okay. It was pretty tight. I just didn't have that same feeling that I felt with the other Reformation jeans that I got. Okay, so next I got a dress from ASTR, the label. This is like a floral pattern dress. It is scrunched up. It has a V in the middle of the neck. I have mixed feelings about this because I like the pattern. I liked how it's scrunched up. I think I would have been okay if it was less scrunched up. And it fits me very nicely. I feel very comfortable in this dress, which is always important. But I just don't feel what I felt with that purple dress, okay? That purple lavender dress that I got last month, that had it all for me. I'm not keeping this. Lastly, I got this white dress from French Connection, and this is honestly a very nice white dress. The fit is honestly, it's okay because it fits me nicely from the bottom down, from like the waist down, but like up here in my chest area it is a little bit big, which is pretty weird considering that this is like an extra small. So I thought it was gonna be fitting me a little bit tighter than that, you know. But this is honestly a really cute, simple white dress that I would honestly wear had it fit me properly. So I love the little detailing. It has like lines going down here, lines going down up there. It has little, I believe this is called like a dart right there on the side of the boob. So overall, I really liked all the pieces that my stylist sent to me. A lot of the pieces I didn't like how they looked on me, and I didn't fall in love with some of the pieces. Some of the pieces I did absolutely love, like this white shirt from ASTR The Label. I most likely will keep that, and I might keep this skirt from Billy Bong because it looks really cute and I love the material too. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.